Quince
Mr. Quinn's
Marina.
Marina.
And we're gonna do
It's the Sea Doo unboxing
or
or reveal.
reveal.
Reveal, they call it.
and this is the gentleman that's making it happen named Paul. I'm gonna tell you about
Okay.
him. So
Magic man. Check this out.
Oh, wow. Look at that,
got
eh?
name on it too.
Put your name on it.
Let me just zoom in on
Let
that.
me,
Just when you're out here, just watch for the forklift.
Yeah.
just come on the side.
This one here. And then there's another one right here.
Let me put on a video. I got.
Here you go,
You
bud.
gotta come on this side, buddy.
Okay.
Okay. What Paul did was a huge favor, by the way.
Yeah.
And I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
What he did was that he made sure on the work order form or the
Yeah.
order form,
Yeah.
he wrote down, "Do not open the box." If I went to 5 places, 3 of them said, "Sure, no problem." The other one thinking about it. So I got the deal from everybody, not a problem. But what we were looking for, come here, baby. You gotta come in this video. What she said to me was, okay, once we bought it, everybody's gonna give it to us, but who's gonna look after us?
Got you.
So we were
got
looking for a family-oriented environment.
Ah.
So this is the first one.
Yep.
Pick the one that you want. You go with that one?
Box number 2.
So that one's.
It's like Price is
I like that,
Right.
okay.
Price is Right.
Yes, exactly.
Bob Barker's here.
Okay, so now Sabrina's gonna have to. I gotta lift it up. Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's not too bad.
So what I would say, pick it up and we'll just put it on top now.
I got it. I got it. Once you want to fold, we'll just kind of dip it here. Dip it up like that.
Beautiful.
All right, now, you want to open the plastic? You want
You know what? I'll do it hand.
okay? Let's
Come on,
take
side.
it off.
On
Okay.
this side so you can see.
Don't take it off.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay?
Tell me
I
how
want to
much.
keep it protected.
Exactly. Oh wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So you can see they're freshly made, just homegrown.
Exactly.
It's organic.
Exactly. Yeah, it's beautiful. Colors.
And, Paul, obviously you're gonna have to do me a favor.
Yeah.
Make a note of that.
Yeah, that was my bike's color.
Here, you can take a picture of the seal.
Okay, sure.
So that's I should choose that for herself.
Okay.
Can I just move this up a little bit?
Yeah, yeah.
I really like the color on Gopher.
Yeah,
That's a unique color.
amazing. This used to be my
I'm
bike.
so used to seeing blue and red and other colors. I love navy.
Brand new for the box, man.
Amazing. Well, look, it's still got the plastic on every part of it. Look at that. Got the speakers there.
And guess what, Paul? Remember we said talk about speaker?
Yeah.
My nephew and I were at 80s music.
Right, that's it, man. We gotta play this ready to go.
This is only for the 80s.
There you go. I like it.
This baby's only for the 80s.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay, should we get
That's
the?
only for the girl.
Okay, let's put this back on.
Put the box back
Yeah,
on, okay?
no problem. Just take this in. Let me help put the box on.
Yeah, let's. I want to be super careful. Here.
Yeah, yeah.
No, why don't you go on the other side?
on that side? Okay. Okay.
Give me this.
Yeah, I should on this side, right? We're gonna flip it over slowly, right?
Beautiful.
Okay, you got it? Yep, I got it. Go. No, you won't run to that side. Ready? Okay, you good? Yep. No, straight. Oh, you want it? Oh,
The handle.
handle.
Be careful.
You better have to go up to it. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay. We'll drop it down on your side.
You want to put that in?
As long as the box is on.
Yeah, yeah, you're good. Watch your hands. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. Now you want to do the other
Yeah,
one?
let's
please?
do the other one. Okay, let's go.
So same thing, 4 people, and let's just set it on top.
Okay,
of it.
you go on that side, and Asha will be on this side.
Is it on properly?
Yeah, that's fine. Ready? Yep, let's go. Hang on, I don't know where the handle is. Yeah, there you go. Watch your hand, watch your hand.
Auntie, watch your hand. Love the color on Gopher.
These are
The blue is beautiful.
because this model, top of the line model.
Really,
So
and I love the back. There's a lot of
Exactly.
space. It's huge.
You want to open this one too?
It's like a boat. I'm so used to the small jet ski. This is like a boat.
No, this
oh, these guys with a
Oh, what a nice color.
beautiful. Look at that.
I really like
His
it.
and hers.
Very
Look at
well
that.
picked, Dusty.
And should we get just a close up of the VIN number on this one too?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just so I.
Oh, he's got the knife there.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Thank you, my friend.
So what's different is this 49889. Yours will be different here. This is the year.
The year.
2024.
Perfect.
Okay.
Beautiful. Thank you, my friend.
Great
Take
experience.
this, Sabrina. Let me just help him put the cover back.
Very nice. He's got the speakers too, I see.
Yeah, the speakers too. Look at
It's
that.
like a fully, it's like fully loaded.
Pretty much.
He's got the whole shebang.
It's called the tech package, right?
Yes. Yes.
So tech package has that. So
I won't be finding my uncle and aunt this summer. They'll be in the water. They'll be like dolphins.
So that's the opening. I mean, I know he wants us to keep it because it's gotta
Absolutely.
I don't want to expose it too much.
No, and that, look at that. That
Totally
shows
understand.
how much he cares. He wants to make
Oh
sure.
yeah, I want you to be ecstatic. Not just happy, I want you to be ecstatic.
He looks like very ecstatic.
Let's put the box back.
We'll put her back.
Uncle, auntie, congratulations. Mashallah, very nice. Beautiful. Nice. Auntie, watch your fingers. Just drop it.
This way a little bit. There we go.
Beautiful. Thank you, Paul.
My pleasure.
I'm here because of him.
Yeah.
You know, and he made this pleasure.
You know, you were speaking the other day to Amanda, who does all
Yes.
of her
Yes,
licensing.
no, it's okay.
And she called me after you spoke to her, and she said he is a very nice man.
Oh.
That's a very
There
nice.
you go,
Now,
there you
dude,
go.
It's rare to get a compliment
All right,
like that.
so let's
Okay,
head
let's
back in.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not about how long it takes actually to build the machine. It's the cube.
Got it.
Okay, got it. And you can see
So I guess
we have, and what we have right now is a lot of boats are coming out of storage.
yeah.
So they have to be cleaned and summarized, and our
Yeah.
technicians have to go through them. In addition to all of the new stuff that we have coming in the future.
And remember, Paul, we're not young people. So time is the essence here. You know what? If I was 24 years old and you told me 3 weeks, I know 3 weeks sounds like 3 years. For me.
That's it.
But if you can, but if you can,
We'll do it. But I
appreciate
and I want to be
whatever.
totally honest with you. I always have been. I can't make any commitment beyond.
none whatsoever. Because whoever was there first, I would never ask his just or anything.
Oh yeah, it's a pontoon. Yeah.
Oh, really nice. That must be very costly.
Be with you, Paul, or should I just wait?
Yes.
Okay.
I love this. Price is right. I
Oh,
want
he's.
this.
Oh well, hey, come on.
Is it for sale? This one?
No, that one's gone.
Ah,
But
okay.
I have others.
Okay. But
These ones over here.
what does it go for at least?
Something like that is probably, I just gut feel 100, 120. So please, after you guys. Oh, it's great.
Well, I have the Challenger 1800.
Oh, do you? Okay.
I really appreciate it. I look forward to it. If
Everybody knows
anything,
people.
if
Yeah.
anything,
Yeah.
you're on.
That's
Thank you
it.
so much.
Appreciate it.
Thank
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure. Like, share, subscribe.